Your air conditioner suddenly stopped working, and now your house feels like an oven. Don't panic. Before calling a repair technician, there are a few simple things you should check. First, make sure the AC is actually getting power. Check your thermostat and confirm it's set to cool mode. Then check your circuit breaker. A tripped breaker can shut down the entire system. Next, inspect the air filter. A severely clogged filter can restrict airflow and cause the system to shut down to protect itself. If the filter is dirty, replace it and try again. Now, head outside and look at the outdoor unit. Remove any leaves, grass, or debris that may be blocking airflow around the condenser. If the indoor unit is running but not cooling, look for ice buildup on the refrigerant lines or indoor coil. If you see ice, turn off the AC and switch the fan to on to help it thaw. Another common issue is a thermostat with weak batteries. Replacing the batteries can sometimes bring the system back to life instantly. If you've checked all of these things and your AC still won't start, there may be a problem with the capacitor, contactor, refrigerant level, or another internal component that requires professional service. The good news? Many AC problems are caused by simple issues that homeowners can fix in just a few minutes. So before spending money on a repair call, go through these quick checks. You might get your AC running again and stay cool without any expensive repairs.